If you want to close more sales, don't sell. Rather, let your customers buy from you. Wait, what? How? Sales strategy 1. Don't begin with benefits or features. Here's what most people do when trying to sell to someone. They demonstrate their product or service and begin by telling the customer all the features and benefits from a brochure or a rehearsed pitch. Sound familiar? That's what all the sales books say. Here's what you should be doing. Begin by asking your customers these 3 questions up front before you bring out your demo model. Number 1, what is it you would love this product or service to do for you? 2, what has made you angry or frustrated with past products or services? 3, what are you looking for in your new sales rep or supplier? As the customer speaks, write down their answers. Listen closely to the words and tone they use. Then weave these personalized words into your presentation and repeat these back as your sales pitch. In the first instance, the salesperson is assuming the standard benefits or features they are pitching match what the customers want to hear. Most times they get it wrong and then resort to convincing and pressure tactics to close the sale. Here they have not allowed the customer to speak. In other words, they are selling. They are speaking on behalf of the customer. This is not a personalized sales pitch. It's a generic one. And who likes a generic sales pitch? No one. In the second instance, the salesperson is using words, tone, and language that the customer is familiar with and understands. They have personalized the sales pitch and is telling the customer exactly what they want to hear. So here there is very little convincing. The sale happens easily, quickly, and leaves the customer feeling like they made the right decision. Here the customer is buying. Try this highly effective sales strategy. I guarantee you'll be pleasantly surprised. You don't need sleazy tactics to have a great sales team or be a great salesperson. You just need to listen to what your customers really want. You do not have to hard sell, and you walk away with smiling customers who will remain with you in the long term.